Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, the 4th of May 2020. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'll announce the winner of the contest. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the winner who will get flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. So congratulations, and I'll also do another contest for the next week, for the next weekly trading ideas video. Only thing you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, alright? And the next week I'll pick one winner to win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. So let's now go into the trading ideas. What you see on your screen is the ES chart. All those charts which you see are ES charts, which is futures for the Standard & Poor's Index 500, and in here there are 3 strong resistances. So what we see right now is a selling activity. Thursday and Friday, strong sellers taking over and pushing the price downwards, and whenever there is strong selling activity like that, I use the flexible volume profile to look into that selling activity, to look for significant volume clusters which were created during the trend activity. So in here, if you look at this chart, this is 30-minute chart of the ES. Now it is pretty clear. The first one, the first significant volume cluster is in here at 2822.75, and it got created in this rotation before the close on Friday. So I think that sellers were adding to their selling positions in here, and then there was this opening gap, and I think that the gap will get closed soon and that the price will react to those massive volumes and the sellers will take over again and they'll push the price downwards again. But first the gap needs to be closed, and then the price is most likely to react to those volumes. Now the second level is at 2844.50, also based on significant volume cluster. This is where the heaviest volumes were created, and I think that the sellers who are pushing the price downwards were adding to their selling positions in here, in this area. That's why we see the volume cluster here, alright? So when the price makes a pullback to this area again, I think that those sellers will start defending their selling positions and they're likely to push the price downwards from this level again. Now what I also like about this level, if you look at this chart, this is 60-minute chart, this is the second chart, then you can also notice that the VWAP, this is a weekly deviation of the VWAP, this gray line. So the previous week's first deviation ended in here, and this is almost exactly at our short level, which is kind of cool, nice confluence to the level we have in here. So that's what I like to see, confluences like this. Now there's also a third level on the ES, third strong resistance level, and it is at 2893 in here. So let me print it on all the charts. And let me show you with a flexible profile. What I'm interested in here is this volume cluster. That's it. And I'm not really interested in volumes which got created in this rejection, because this rejection got already tested, and also this rotation was already tested with this rejection of higher prices. So that's why I'm not interested in volumes in this whole area, because those volumes got already tested in here, alright? So that's why I used the flexible volume profile like this, only to see volumes in this area. The most significant volumes got created in here at 2893.75. That's the third strong resistance zone. I think that those volumes you can see there were volumes of strong sellers, who are adding to their selling positions in here and then pushing the price downwards. So when there's a pullback, if the price makes a pullback to this area, I think that those sellers are likely to defend their selling positions and to push the price downwards again. Now I really like this rejection because this shows that it worked as a support in the past, because the price rejected the support in the past. It reacted, made a very nice reaction. And when the price went past this support, the support then became a resistance. So not only we have the volume profile set up in here, but we also have price action set up, pretty old but nicely working setup, which says that support turns into a resistance. Alright, so that's the reasoning for those three resistances on the ES. This is futures contract for the ES, so it is the June contract. Alright, so let's move forward. Let's have a look at some forex pairs, and let's go into the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So those are charts of Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and let's have a look at this chart. It is a 30-minute chart where I use the flexible volume profile, and what I'm interested in here is this rotation from which strong selling activity started. Because of those selling activity, I think that in this rotation there were sellers accumulating their selling positions, getting ready to start pushing the price aggressively downwards. So in this area, I think the sellers were building up their selling positions. And if I zoom it in, you'll see that the heaviest volumes right there. This is where they placed most of their volumes, 76.83. This is a strong resistance zone from which I think they'll push the price downwards if there is a pullback. So when there is a pullback, if there is a pullback, I think that this level will work as a strong resistance, and those sellers from this rotation will try to defend their selling positions and to push the price downwards from there again. Now this is not really an intraday trading level, this is more like a swing trading level, so for this reason you should let it breathe. I would say ideal stop loss for this trade would be somewhere in here, which is around 40 pips stop loss. Alright, so that's for this resistance. And let's now have a look at the last trading idea, which is on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So this is the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. What we have in here is also the volume accumulation setup. The heavy volumes which I wanted to show you in here were created inside this area, inside this rotation. And as you can see from this rotation, strong sell-off started, aggressive selling activity. That's why I think that sellers were accumulating their selling positions in here, and then they started the selling, the aggressive selling, to push the price downwards. So when there's a pullback to this area again, especially to the place where the volumes were the heaviest, which is in here at 1.0679, I think that those sellers are likely to start defending their selling positions and to push the price downwards from there again. You can also see this resistance zone very nicely on the fixed weekly profile in here, and what I also like about it is how the price rejected this area in the past. This means that it was a support. When the price went past the support then became a resistance. Alright, so we have volume based setup and also price action setup, both setups confirming this strong resistance. Alright, now if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile or the VWAP or price action, then visit my website, which is trader-dale.com, and go here, trading course and tools, to get one of my trading educational packages. There are 3 of them. The first one is called the Learning Pack. And with this pack, you'll get a volume profile video course. It's 15-hour long video course with 44 videos. It's a really in-depth course with a lot of actionable info. You'll also get my volume profile indicators for MetaTrader 4 and NinjaTrader 8. Now there is also a trading pack, and the trading pack is ideal for those who would like to follow me in my everyday trading. What you'll get is my personal trading levels, daily levels, as well as swing levels, and you'll get those on a daily basis, along with a daily video, which I'll shoot every day and tell you all about those trading levels, the reasoning behind them, and how I'm going to trade them. And what you'll also get in this pack is also the volume profile pack, which are my custom-made volume profiles for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. Now this is the elite pack, the recommended pack, and it includes all from the above. So it includes the video course, it includes my personal swing and daily trading levels. It also includes the volume profile pack for MetaTrader 4 and NinjaTrader 8. And as a bonus, you'll get the VWAP indicator, which normally costs $139, as you can see in here, $139, but you'll get that for free with this pack. Alright, so that's the recommended elite pack. With this pack, you'll get it all. Alright, so anyways, that's for this video. I hope you guys like it. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.